So in today's lesson, we are going to see how you perform simple operations on your Microsoft Excel. We are going to basically concentrate on arithmetic operations. So by arithmetic operations, we mean operations which involve addition, subtraction, multiplication, as well as division. So we are going to be carrying out these operations. So you have your addition, subtraction, multiplication, or division. So how do we get started? Let me zoom this page. Zoom is done by clicking on the plus icon at the right hand side bottom of your page. So we are going to be doing these arithmetic operations. So what do you need to do? So you just type 56 plus 34. The answer is supposed to appear. So what do you do? If you don't put equal to first before whatever you type, it will see it as ordinary number. That is why when we type this, nothing happened, right? But now let's fix equal to first. Let's have equal to before the figure. You see that it's now 90. And if you watch your formula bar, you observe that it's the same thing here, only that here we have equal to before the 56 plus 34. So whenever you are performing any arithmetic operation or whichever calculation you want to do in Excel, the first thing you do is to put equal to. So we are doing 50 plus 45. Enter. See the answer. How do I know what I type? You just click on the cell where the answer is. Look at your formula bar, you see what you type appearing on the formula bar. So if you are doing 6745 plus 34, you hit the enter key, you see that it has appeared for us. So whatever number you type, you can type 3 numbers, whatever. You can sum up any number you want, you sum them up. All you need to do is put equal to first before you type the values. So I'm still adding numbers. I'm still adding 90 now, plus 78, plus 89, plus 345, plus 123, plus I can go on and on and on. Then once I'm done, I hit the enter button. It will sum them up. So if you click on the cell where the answer is and look at the formula bar, you see all what you have typed. So here we have used this to do addition. So let's carry out subtraction here. Subtraction. So what I need to do is, I've told you that before you carry out any calculation, the first thing you do is to put equal to. So watch what will happen now. I've just typed 569 minus 45. I didn't put equal to, so nothing changes. So once I put equal to and I repeat same number or another number and I hit the enter button, it will calculate. So even if I come to this one and I fix equal to first and hit the enter button, it will now calculate it. So if you don't want it to calculate, you simply remove the equal to sign. So we can equally do other values 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8 minus 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Enter. So we have our answer there. We put equal to 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9 minus 1, 2 minus 1, 2, 3 minus 1, 2, 3, 4 minus whichever number you want. You just do that, enter. The answer will display. So in a case where the negative sign is greater than the positive sign, the Excel will automatically know the negative sign it will attach. For instance, we are doing 67367 minus 453860. That is 67,367 minus 4,538,609. What will it give us? You observe that the negative value is greater than the positive, but let's see what it will give us. You see, it's giving us a negative answer, which is minus 4,471,242. So, Excel knows how to calculate numbers effectively. Can calculate number, you can subtract more than one number from a particular number. You can keep subtracting, and at the end it will display the answer. So this section, let's use it to do multiplication. So to do multiplication, still the same thing. Now you are not going to use this as your multiplication sign, rather you hold down your shift and press 8. This is what you use. This star here is what we use in our operation. So whenever you want to apply this multiplication sign, you use the star that is on your number 8 key. So if you are doing 23 times 6, you see the times I use is this. I hold down my shift and press 8 to activate the multiplication sign. So our value has displayed. If you want to do 2 times 200, enter. So it sums that, it multiplies that. So whichever value, you can equally use more than 2 values as much as you can. It will continue to multiply. So you keep typing as far as the numbers are relevant to you. You see that nothing changed here because we do not use the equal to sign before our typing. So what I need to do to edit it is simply to click on the cell or double click and affix the equal to sign and hit the enter key. So that is just what you need to do to get your multiplication done. So with this, you can conveniently do your multiplication anytime, any day. And whenever you are working with Excel and you are asked a question which involves calculation, there is no need going to look for calculator elsewhere. Just go to your Excel, put equal to, if it is division, you put 234 divided by 2, for instance, equal to, you see that our answer has appeared. So if it is 200 divided by 20, you simply put equal to 200 divided by 20 and you hit the enter key. Your answer will appear. Whatever number you want to calculate, all you need to do is to put the equal to and apply the numbers. So we can continue to divide whichever number. It can equally give us decimal places. As you can see, it can give us decimal places, and there are cases where you want it to round those numbers up for you. You can equally carry out square roots. You can do power, this raised to power this. It will equally do them for you. So in our next class, we are going to be attending to some of these things when it deals with square root, when it deals with powers. So this will be all for now.